Jack stood at the window of his small apartment, overlooking the bustling city beneath him. A young enthusiast in his early 20s, he had recently plunged into the dizzying world of cryptocurrency trading, eager to make his mark and fortune. Armed with nothing but hope and a modest savings, Jack knew he needed a plan. One evening, as Jack sat staring at the multitude of cryptocurrency charts on his computer screen, he remembered his friend Mike, a seasoned trader who had once shared some golden rules for success. These rules echoed in Jack's mind as a guiding light for his journey. The first piece of advice was to educate himself before diving into the market. Jack spent countless late nights poring over books, articles, and forums, gaining knowledge about blockchain, market trends, and how different coins operated. The more Jack learned, the more confident and strategic he became with his decisions. The second rule was to manage risks wisely. Jack understood that while the volatility of cryptocurrencies could lead to substantial gains, it could also spell significant losses. He determined to never invest more than he could afford to lose and diversified his investments across various cryptocurrencies, thus minimizing the risks. Mike's third tip was to remain emotionally detached from trades. Despite the inherent excitement and nerves of winning or losing money, Jack trained himself to avoid acting on impulse. When his investments started to slide, instead of panicking, he reminded himself of his long-term strategy, staying calm and rational. The fourth advice was to keep up with the news. Jack made it a point to stay updated with the latest news in the world of cryptocurrencies. Each day began and ended with him reviewing market analyses and global news that could impact the crypto trends. Finally, Mike had stressed the importance of learning from each experience. Jack kept a detailed journal of each trade, documenting what worked, what didn't, and why. He reviewed his journal regularly to refine his strategies and avoid repeating past mistakes. With each passing month, Jack grew more adept, and as his confidence built, so did his portfolio. He knew the road to success was not guaranteed, but with these 5 principles guiding him, Jack felt equipped to handle the inevitable ups and downs of cryptocurrency trading. In a world full of uncertainties, Jack found assurance in his discipline. Success, he thought, is a journey, not just a destination.